Hey everybody, it's Nina, and I am here for another day of talking about the book, Yes, 50 Ways to Persuade Customers to Buy From You in Business. Actually, I don't know the entire title, so I just kind of made that up, but I've talked about it before, so hopefully, you can see it. And can I just say, I'm a little embarrassed, you guys, because I'm like the cobbler my hair's bugging me. Anyway, I'm the cobbler whose kids have no shoes, right? So I was looking at my old videos and I don't have any, and just so you know, it's like showing me above me, but it's a little bit delayed. Wacky. Anyway, I was looking at my old videos and I was like, I don't have any titles. I don't have descriptions or tags or thumbnails. Like, a lot of my thumbnails are just like me mid-thought, like the most hideous face possible. I'm embarrassed. So I'm slowly going to update them, but I also don't feel like I have the time to just sit there and do that, to make myself look better, to make myself feel better every time I go into my videos. So I will try to be better. That's all we can do, right? Try to be better going forward. So, day 3, and just so you know, my son and I are totally keeping up with reading this. Every night we read one of the chapters and we talk about it, and it's been awesome, and we are both really enjoying it. Day number 3, chapter number 3. If you say to people, don't do this, because we are a stubborn, obstinate, ridiculous, mindful people, and mindful mindful means like we're not going to do what somebody tells us, we actually will do it. So if you're like, don't throw your trash on the ground, more people will throw their trash on the ground than people would put it in a trash can. But if you say to people, 97% of people won't throw their trash on the ground, what do? They like to go with the crowd. Even though we all like to pretend we're special snowflakes and we don't like to go with the crowd, we will throw our trash away because other people are throwing their trash away. So in business, one of the ways to get people to buy is to say to them, this many people bought from me. Or, when you buy this paper or handout or whatever they're buying from you, I don't know what you're selling, and you say, 70% of people added this on because it made the purchase better, you're gonna have more people buy it. If you say to people, don't miss out getting this because it'll help you, you know what, they're like, yeah, I don't mind missing out, and they won't get it. So another persuasive technique for you to use, and I hope you're doing great boosting your business, and come back again another day for more tips. Have a great day. Bye.